With the new iPhone iOS 26 update, the new liquid glass effect has somewhat changed the outlook of your icons and overall feel of the interface. But do you feel that with the new effect, your text and icons just look a little unclear? Well, you're not the only one. You can actually disable this effect by changing the transparency of this effect. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your text and icons look sharper so you don't have to squint your eyes when looking at your phone. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Here you can see the option of Reduce Transparency. This will improve the contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. Toggle this option on. You can see the difference before and after turning on this option. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.